My name is Muhammet Emin KARAİSMAİL.
And my name is Mehdi NAASAN.
Design constraint and requirement of this project as follow. Use of LoRa technology, mobile battery powered, handheld maximum 1 kg, telecommand at least 64 different equipment, working distance of at least 1 km line of sight. Here we can see some problems and our improvement solution for that.
As we can see, this is our whole system. We have two parts in our system, the transmission side and the receiver side.
Let's look to the transmission side. Here we have 4 main blocks in this part: the input, microcontroller, LoRa module and antenna. The function of this part as follow. The microcontroller get input from user. After that, process the data to send and preparing to give the data package to LoRa. After that, LoRa module received data from microcontroller and send the data to receiver via antenna.
Let's look to the receiver side. Here we have 4 main blocks in this part. The function of this part as follow. The LoRa gets signal from transmission side via antenna and give the data to microcontroller. Microcontroller get data from LoRa module and process it to decide which data is sent. After that, do the desired function.
This is our prototype design system for 2 sides. Next, you will see our field test videos.
My name is Mehdi NAASAN, Hacettepe University, Department of Electric and Electronic Engineering. This is our video for ELE 402 graduation project. That is development of long-range remote control design. And this is our project.
Here we try to transmit the data to the receiver side for range test.
My name is Muhammet Emin KARAİSMAİL. This is receiving part of our project. Here we see the LED is turned on and off. That means we get the signal from transmission. As a result of range test, we do communication from 1.5 kilometers.
As a project request, we must add several input to able get at least 64 input order from user and transmit it to run 64 equipment in the receiver part. And this is our final shape of mobile remote control device.
Here is our final field range test, and we able to do in this process occurred from 1.6 kilometers.